Volvo is making a big deal about a small SUV, the EX30. This will be the brand's fourth all-electric vehicle, and they claim it has the lowest CO2 footprint out of any vehicle they have ever made. More importantly, in America, this will be the lowest priced vehicle in their entire portfolio, despite being all-electric. So before it goes on sale, let's take a quick look at the EX30. The car is instantly recognizable as a Volvo, wearing the usual design cues of the manufacturer. Being an EV, there is no grille up front, but it does have these digitized versions of Thor's Hammer's headlights. Volvo claims the long wheelbase, large wheels, and equal overhangs bring a balance and refinement to the exterior. There's 20-inch two-tone aero wheels. I like the black roofline and the rear taillights. If those taillights look familiar, they're similar in design to those on the new EX90 EV. When it does go on sale later this year, it will be available in a choice of 5 exterior colors, including cloud blue seen here. Like many Volvo EVs, the EX30 will be available in 2 powertrains. The entry-level one will have a single motor powering the rear wheels, making 268 horsepower. It's expected to go about 275 miles or 443 kilometers estimated on a single charge. For more performance and better traction, there will be a dual motor version with all-wheel drive. Combined, it will deliver 422 horsepower and capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. That's not just properly quick, but that's the fastest 0 to 60 time of any production Volvo ever made. Range for the all-wheel drive should be around 265 miles or an estimated 425 kilometers. Both powertrains come with a 64 kilowatt battery pack, and Volvo states it can charge at speeds up to 153 kilowatt hours, allowing the battery to go from 10 to 80% capacity in just 26.5 minutes. Although we won't be able to drive the car for some time yet, the manufacturer claims to have tuned the chassis for the EX30 for ease of driving and nimbleness in the city and beyond. This leads us to believe that it won't necessarily be a sporty drive, but it should be a good mix of comfort, luxury, and handling. Inside, the EX30 can be had in one of 4 distinct themes. Here we have the Breeze. Look at these cool dash and door panels. They have this retro-looking theme that I really like. Central to the EX30 is a single-screen UX, with Google built in and running the latest version of the brand's infotainment software. Like a lot of modern EVs, the EX30 also comes with optional digital keys, which allows the driver to operate it with a copy of the key loaded on their smartphone. Ambient lighting will also be optional, including 5 different themes. Each is said to be inspired by a different Scandinavian landscape with slowly transitioning colors. There's a full glass roof, and for such a small vehicle, there's a ton of headroom front and rear. A lot of this has to do with clever packaging, which includes a sound bar mounted right up against the windshield, and there's even some cool features like dual wireless phone charging. Of course, we can't talk about a Volvo without mentioning safety. Included in the EX30 is a safety feature for bikes that helps to prevent so-called dooring accidents. It alerts the driver opening their doors if a cyclist, scooter, or runner is quickly approaching. The vehicle also has the new generation of the Park Assist Pilot feature that can now handle parallel, curved, perpendicular, and diagonal fishbone-style parking. Pre-orders for the EX30 have begun in the United States, and in Canada, full orders will be available this fall. In America, expect pricing to start around $35,000, which not only makes it one of the most affordable luxury EVs, it puts it right in line with a lot of small, gasoline-powered luxury SUVs. In Canada, expect pricing to be around $53,700 when it goes on sale.